CHT is a custom two-part formulator of silicones for the composite market.
And we're in a lot of different industries, from automotive and textiles to mass transit, electronics, and of course composites. We're developing custom products, and what we try to do is we try to understand what the customer needs now, formulate a product to meet their demands, partner with our customers, and we say, hey, where do you want to be in 5-10 years, and how can we help you get there?
Composite manufacturers are looking for more efficient ways to increase production, have better part-to-part consistency, and the employees in the composite world are looking for a healthier environment to work in. Manufacturers who have moved into reusable silicone vacuum bagging have found that they have achieved better processing, more consistent parts, and a reduction in emissions for a healthier work environment for its employees.
The open molding process is a costly process. What we've done with CHT is develop a system that allows you to have less cost in a startup and use multiple parts out of a silicone bag. Closed mold offers less labor and less waste of materials. Using silicone bag allows you to spray the bag up with minimal cost, unlike the other processes, which is RTM and RTM Light, which is very costly as far as the mold and tool is concerned.
Combining the innovation, the market knowledge, and the equipment really makes a one-stop shop for our customers, not only for today, but for the future.